Are you wondering how this will affect your investment choices? As the market constantly changes, each minor fluctuation can signal new opportunities or risks. With many factors at play, including international events and investor behavior, it's crucial to stay updated. As Bitcoin continues to hover around $76,000 amidst fluctuations, many are pondering the implications for long-term investments. The latest movements reveal a delicate balance between uncertainty and potential growth, urging investors to stay grounded in their strategies. Furthermore, institutional interest in cryptocurrencies bolsters the market's foundation, leading to a cautiously optimistic outlook. Keeping an eye on inflation data and ETF flows, while being aware of the overall economic landscape, will be essential for smart decision-making in the coming months. Remember, diversification remains a key strategy, and now is the time to reassess portfolios with a keen eye on trends, especially in the context of market resistance levels around $82,000. Your investment journey might just depend on not only what is trending today but how you adapt for tomorrow. As Bitcoin approaches the critical $82,000 resistance level, many traders are adopting a tactical mindset, weighing their options carefully. The shift in institutional investment is noteworthy. With predictions indicating an increase in crypto holdings, there's a palpable sense of anticipation permeating the market. Yet, amid this cautious optimism, long-term holders remain vigilant, reflecting on the importance of maintaining a disciplined approach to their portfolios. Fluctuations can create both opportunities and challenges, emphasizing the need for strategic adaptability. As volatile economic signals continue to emerge, being informed and proactive will be vital. In this ever-evolving landscape, who knows what the next turn may reveal? Despite the optimism surrounding institutional investment, the broader market's volatility underscores a dynamic landscape where both caution and opportunity coexist. As traders navigate these waters, their strategies must remain flexible yet grounded in the prevailing economic signals. With ongoing uncertainty and shifting market conditions, remaining vigilant is essential for traders and investors. Adaptation and readiness might just be the keys to unlocking successful investment outcomes in this fluctuating environment. As we forecast the future of Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market, it becomes clear that the landscape will continue to evolve. Staying informed and adaptable is paramount as we embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, ensuring that your investment journey remains resilient and rewarding.